Kindness economy. These words by themselves may mean little, a mundane acknowledgement of the concepts and structures within our world. These words, when together, I'm sure, bring forth a paradoxical thought to the forefront of your mind. Why is this? Because I believe there can be no kindness within an economy. An economy is a mechanism empowered by its engagement within our society and populace. Through mantras, rhetorics, and marketing, these concepts of class disparity, poverty, and the rich versus poor are put on us, leaving no time to think about kindness and what that might mean. These assumed fundamentals of society influence the philosophies and acts of those trapped within our economy. This leads us to the degradation of cultures, dreams, and dignity, which in turn molds a disturbing, morally corrupt future for us as a society. The degradation of society has been accomplished through the introduction of the economy and its hierarchical structure. As the division of society is accomplished by the establishment of biased class systems that reward those who suppress one another. The preconceived notions of a class bias acts to further incentivize success by pushing those who fail to feed our economy. The acceptance of homelessness and families within groups who cannot feed themselves every night as a standard part of living showcases how we, under the rule of the economy, have accepted and allowed for the suffering of an untold number of people, or to uplift those who can feed everyone and never do. These systems of oppression create a stepping stone structure where individuals are rewarded for being individuals, rewarded for pushing down one another, keeping each other down so they can maintain their deserved place at the top, which will always lead to the economy being fed, as those who succeed through it must maintain it. This structure incites and invites conflict through disparity manifested by accepted segmentation, as those told to be content with their lives within the walls placed for them by the economy rebel to ascend the position of an oppressor. And as this cog in the machine known as our economy continues to turn, so do the classes of the economy. Rebellion after rebellion, death after death, there will finally be rebirth, only for us to die yet again for the right to succeed within our own world. This cyclical structure is the economy at its truest form, and so its most destructive. The truest form of the economy, as a force that by its nature will cause the deterioration of cultures and values and the strength that unity provides us, cannot be sustained without the bloodshed of those who slaved for it. As members of the economy blindly follow its ideals and definitions of success, we see ourselves throw all that we are and all that we could be to accomplish these goals given to us, but not for us by those who never know us nor mourn us. The active choice to both work ourselves to the bone for nameless conglomerates, corporations, and businesses, while simultaneously pushing down and forgetting and harming our fellow man for the sake of social and monetary reward, showcases a society where people hold no honor, nor empathy, or freedom to choose for themselves, to work for themselves, or to raise our voices to the unyielding force that is the economy. This unyielding force known as the economy is an insatiable and unstable foundational pillar to our modern society. As such, we cannot support both the shunned collective and its upheld elite. And so, with the collapse of one pillar, soon will another fall, followed by another, after the other, until what remains of our society collapses upon itself, crumbling away until nothing we can do will remain. The only way for this collapse of the economy to not bring down our society is for us in unity to push back up and forgo the crumbled and empty pillar with one of unity. The reinsertion of unity will in turn return what the economy devoured. Our unity will return honesty through the freedom of our voices, our honor driven by our own wills and desires, and our freedoms through the abolishment of a system which seeks to benefit none but itself. And so, I ask you, do you believe a kindness can exist within our economy?